everyone! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's me, Kim of Phone Range, and yes, in today's video, we will be doing a quick unboxing and first impression of the Samsung Galaxy A11. This video is para po sa mga tao naghahanap ng mga budget phone na pwedeng magamit sa online classes. As you remember, nag-unbox po tayo ng Samsung Galaxy A01, our first budget phone na in-unbox. At sa mga hindi pa po nakakapanood nun, ipro-provide po namin yung link sa taas. But before that, a friendly reminder po, phone range, don't forget to sanitize your hands. Be sure to wear your mask. Be sure to wear your face shield. And observe social distancing. So let's get started and see what's in the box. First off, we are greeted with the white box design na similar sa mga Samsung device like the Samsung Galaxy A01 na in-unbox natin last month. So what we have here is the 3GB, 32GB variant na available sa online and offline stores ng phone range. So ayan guys, the usual Samsung unboxing, ipupull out lang natin ng ganito. So, ang unang bubungad sa atin is yung document sleeve and it contains the warranty card and the quick start guide. Then, we are greeted with the phone itself. So, ito siya guys. Oh, wow! Ang ganda ng pagka-color niya guys. So, ito yung color niya. This is the color blue, pero mamaya natin pag-usapan yan. Let's set it aside muna. And let's see what else we get in the box. Then, inside the box, we have the 15 watts fast charger brick, which is great to see on a budget phone like this. At syempre, meron din tayong USB Type-C cable. And one more thing na gustong-gusto ko kay Samsung is yung pagka-complete package na nasa loob ng box dahil meron tayong kasamang wired earphones. Usually kasi sa mga budget phone, walang kasamang mga wired earphones. Lastly, makikita natin dito is yung SIM ejector tool. And finally, let's talk about the device. So, meron tayo dito guys is yung blue color variant. Actually guys, marami tayong available na color. Meron din tayong white, black, and red. Meron siyang fingerprint scanner sa likod ng phone. Ang screen size ng phone is 6.4 inch, HD Plus with a resolution of 720 by 1560 na Infinity O display. So, my first impression when it comes to design, maganda siya guys. Actually, napaka-minimalist ng design niya at in fairness guys, magaan yung phone at manipis lang siya. Sa top side ng phone, dito natin makikita yung 3.5mm audio port. And sa left side naman is makikita natin yung power lock button at yung volume rocker physical button. Sa left side naman ng phone, andito yung SIM card tray. Eto guys, ang kagandahan ng SIM card tray is pwede natin siyang lagyan ng dual SIM slot at expandable via micro SD card. Sa baba naman ng phone, what we have here is the USB Type-C port, microphone with the speaker grill. What we got here in the front of the Samsung Galaxy A11 is a 8-megapixel f2.0 aperture. As for the rear camera of the Samsung Galaxy A11, it is equipped with a 13-megapixel f1.8 aperture for main camera, a 2-megapixel f2.4 aperture for depth camera, and lastly, a 5-megapixel f2.2 for wide camera. Sa battery naman, meron tayong 4,000 mAh battery capacity. As for the software, the Samsung Galaxy A11 runs on Android 10 based on One UI 2.0 out of the box. The Samsung Galaxy A11 is equipped with a Exynos 7 Octa7904 paired with 1.8 GHz octa-core CPU. A 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage is available na pwede pa natin i-expand up to 512GB via microSD card. We also provided benchmark using Antutu. Now, let's test the cameras. Here are the front-facing shots for selfies and video calls. Then for the rear camera shots, honestly, I'm very happy with everything. Sa battery, sa camera, sa design, this is an impressive phone for its price. So if you are interested, the 3GB 32GB variant is available for 6,990. Yes guys, you heard me right, 6,990 na lang po siya compared sa dati niyang price na 7,490. And yes, available po siya sa all phone range online and offline stores. For more infos about our upcoming promos, please like and follow us on our social media accounts and enjoy hassle-free shopping whenever you purchase to our online stores. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoy watching. If you like this video, click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you will get notified whenever we upload our new unboxing. Once again, this is Kim of Phone Range. Thank you, stay safe, and always remember, Jesus loves you. Ulit siya, may mali ako. Wait lang! Yung kamay ko, Seth. Bakit na-dip?